Hello and welcome back to the episode. This is the StackStorm Technical Deep Dive. I'm Rick Kaufman, Global TME over here at HP Aruba Networking. Now, in today's episode, we're going to talk about these things called webhooks. I don't know a lot about them. They're kind of like an HTTP request where you can just go get information from some endpoint. Like I said, I don't use them a lot myself, so I'm going to make a video of it anyways and show it to you. Maybe it'll make some sense to you. Let's see how it's done.
I'm going to do a quick little session here on webhooks. I've really never used these in StackStorm, but if we look in the StackStorm doc under webhooks, what this lets us do, it lets us post things into StackStorm from somewhere else. So there could be something running that's outside of the StackStorm world that we can post information via HTTP into StackStorm. Um, this is kind of like kicking off a sensor. So it's like a one-way sensor. It's like something external to StackStorm saying, hey, here's something, go deal with it. And then whatever that is, if you define it right inside StackStorm, then it could go and trigger a rule to run some actions. You can register webhooks. You can read this here. I'm not really going to cover it, but I just wanted to let you know it's here. And you can read down here like when not to use a webhook. They're not bidirectional. So if you want to post something to StackStorm and expect to get something back, probably not going to happen. And the execution of it's not guaranteed. So if you want to do something like this, it's more recommended to use sensors. So build a sensor to do this or figure out how that works. Like I said, sensors are not my strong suit. But I just wanted to point this out to let you know that this functionality is inside StackStorm. Read about it here if you want to use it or not. I have never used this, but if you want, you can get a little bit of information behind the scenes when you run the --debug command. Then it will actually show you everything that StackStorm is doing, and it will be expressed in these curl commands. So, great resource if you want to try to do something like this, or you had some need to do something like this. I just want to make sure you're aware of it and that it's there. Okay, thanks. Stay tuned. We'll see you in the next chapter.